So yeah, I'll walk you through like the whole thing. So this is the dashboard. We can change the UX. Tell me the feedback on it. I tried to make it more simpler and all with everything. And yeah, this is like the main. This is the analyze. This is the deep dive one like we discussed. Here you see all the recent searches and the analysis that we had. Right, we also did for you that the analysis was there. And yeah, so this is for you. So now yeah, I'll go to, let's do a search. So I did a search. Like you can go here, you can either do it with done or you can do a manual import, and after you've done the search you'll end up something like this. So I took a random role and I gave my LinkedIn. Like here you can add the LinkedIn and you can give it a role. So for that it is telling me like I'm not good enough like for this role, right? So now I'll start the outreach part. Yeah, confirm and continue, and then we'll reach here, right? And this is like now you start the deep analysis of the candidate. So that is happening in the background. So that starts to happen, and email is getting looked and all. Like we are trying to find it using hatch and all. And yeah, after that we start. So this is like a part where it would start analyzing and it would see everything as you can see. So yeah, let's wait for a couple of seconds, and this takes time. So this is like after this the sequence would start. So the analysis, yeah. So for this particular role, it is telling me clearly like the HR should not reach out, and it is mentioning the reason and all. And yeah, so it is telling why and all. And in case the HR wants to reach out, like this was a very bad candidate. Like for me, the role was very bad. It was a senior position, and I'm a junior role, right? So we can, and we just ask them, because for us we tried as and it failed. So just add my mail ID .com, yeah, and I'll save it, right? And now. I'll just start the sequence for this launch sequence, and now the first mail and all will start going. So I'll make the UX better. I think this should be in that page only. Yeah, this is somewhat confusing. I'll change it. And yeah, so now the mail part is happening. Like we are creating a dedicated mail for the candidate, and yeah, mail has been sent. Let me check it. Yeah, so this mail I got 157. Yeah, and yeah, so hi Mrikesh, I saw what this is we're looking for, and now yeah, I'll go to the candidate part. So candidate would get something like this. So yeah, I want to test it out. I'll do this. Sorry. Okay, so now let me type in the time and date. So this would only be, this is just for testing, so that's why I added it. Normally it would be different, like we can finalize like what UI and UX we want for this. Time I want 158. Let's add 201. Use this, and now we're asking them for the mobile, right? Because we would not know. In case we know, we will have it in database. We can do it. We can call. But again, we're asking candidate and they're giving it. So legally also it is good. Also it is good because we know they'll pick the call on this, right? And now confirm interview. Yes. So now the interview is done. Currently it's 1:58. Yeah, so I'll get a call in a couple of minutes. Yeah. So I think we get one more mail. That is for the interview. So the interview is confirmed, time and all. Yeah. So something like this. Yes. Get a call. So yeah, let me pick up the call.
You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code.
Hello, is this Ridesh? I'm Ridesh. This is Mira calling from your lead. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm really looking forward to learning more about you and your experience. Before we begin, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, you're audible. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I appreciate you joining me today, Ridesh. So, let me start by telling you a bit about why we're speaking. We're exploring your fit for a senior Python developer role with one of our clients, and I'd love to learn more about your background and experience. To begin, could you tell me a bit about yourself, your current role, and what you're looking for in your next opportunity?
All right. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. That would be the full flow, and yeah.